Alright guys, we are back again. Okay, so in this particular video I'm going to show you guys how to go about your domain hosting and the rest of it. Okay, your domain and hosting. So if you hop into your system, let me close these tabs, close this one, I'm gonna close this one, close this one, and this. Alright, okay. So now what is domain? Like I said before, domain is simply means your the name of your company, or the name you are giving to your website. All right, just like your website name. So mine is, like I said before, mine is FCO Innovation. Okay, so that is why you have www.fcoinnovation.com. So the domain itself is this. All right, FCO Innovation. And I now told you that these are the extensions. We have www dot and at the beginning, and we now have .com. All right. So, but the main domain is FCO Innovation. All right. And I also told you guys about other websites, like for example Google. So if you go to Google websites, this is their domain. The domain is Google. So domain is the name at which the company is known for. The name at which the company is known at. All right. So that is the domain. Another one is, for example, Jam websites. Okay, let me say Jumia. Let me just say Jam. All right, look at this one. The domain is Jam. All right, that is the domain. Okay, so these ones are other extension. Okay, so domain basically is the company name which the company registered their website with. All right. Now another thing I would like to show you guys is hosting. Hosting is very important. Hosting is simply means the ability to 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 situate your website in the internet, just like the ability or the platform that is powering your website. Okay, every website in the internet is powered by a host, by hosting. All right, for example, look at this Facebook is being hosted, all right, by a particular company. All right, even these are regular webs, even the central bank of every country, their website is being hosted by a company. So hosting service is the service that allows an individual to operate his or her website in the internet. All right, please don't get this thing confused. Okay, for example, let me show you this is my website. Like this is my website, FCO Innovation. This is just, like I said before, domain name is just the name of, the identity which your website has. That is the identity that any web browser will have to get in order to visit your website. Okay, why the why the hosting means that before you now uh, situate, or before you now design your website, or before you now create your website in the internet, hosting is the platform that powers, or that gives your website the space to exist in the internet. All right, so for example, think about, if you want to build a house, you cannot just carry your house and drop anywhere. All right, you have to buy a land. Are you with me? So you building a house requires you to, first of all, to buy a land. Okay, so after you have gotten your domain, so you will get your hosting by buying a hosting service, or registering your domain and hosting through hosting services. Okay, so the web hosting services in the internet are many. One of them is we have um GoDaddy. All right, we have GoDaddy. Okay, excuse me. We have GoDaddy.com. But let me just. This is the website. So basically, this GoDaddy, what they do is that they helps you to to power your website. They makes your website to exist in the internet. All right. Okay, let me see if I can. All right. Okay, now look at it. So these guys, they give you the fast, secure way to get, okay, not this, now, so you see, that gives you web hosting. Hosting means that they are helping you. In fact, they are going to host your website in their own server. All right, they are hosting your website in their own server. What it means is that they are taking the responsibility of carrying the loads, everything that you are going to upload in your website. They are going to be powering it. All right. So another example of this is, imagine your Facebook. Every day you're uploading pictures in your Facebook. Every day you are snapping yourself, uploading your picture. So those pictures you upload, Facebook are using their own server to host that particular pictures. All right. So you are uploading your picture in the Facebook computer. All right. So all those pictures and all those videos you snap yourself and post on Facebook, Facebook is collecting them and keeping them for you. So when they keep it, it is being kept in their own system, in their own server. All right. So this GoDaddy, for example, they are, if you buy your hosting, your web hosting from them, what it means that GoDaddy is going to be taking the responsibility of keeping all your, your everything that you upload in your internet, and your website, and keeping it in their own server. All right. So for example, now I'm gonna do this now. Okay. If I want to start with web designing, or I want to start with blogging projects, the first thing you do, like I said before, or like I showed you, is first of all identify your domain. Which domain do you want to use? So each domain has their specific function. Every domain has its own what they are there for. All right. You can't just go to the internet and and just bring a name and call it your website. All right. So if you want to start web designing, or you want to design a website for someone, first of all, ask the client, what do you want to, which business are you into, or which idea do you want to incorporate in the internet. All right. For example, like I said before, if you want to start, if you want to do website for laundry business, okay, and you don't know which name to give your laundry business, okay, so what you do is that you can easily use this particular website called domain wheels. Domain wheel. Now, domain wheel generator. So the website is domainwheel.com. All right. What it does is that it helps you to generate the suitable domain that will fit your business or your concept, all right, or your idea. Okay. So if you are confused on which domain to get or to use for your website, you can just go to this website called domainwheels.com. Then you can now type your business or your idea. So I will just type laundry. Once you just type laundry, just click on search domain. Okay, now these are the suggestions. So domain wheels will suggest different kinds of domain names for you. Okay, so now all these names here are related to laundry. All right. So the first one is getdirtywashnow.com. All right. Another one is getlaundrynow.org. You see that thing I'm telling you about, the extension. So this one ended with .com. This one ended with .org. This one ended with .net. Why this one ended with .info? So this is the thing I was talking about in those previous videos, where I told you that websites ends with different extensions. So this one is .com, this one is .net, this one is .blog, as you can see, but that is not what we're talking about now. So what we're talking about now is how to get your domain name. All right. So if you're confused on which domain name to use for your website, just go to this domainwheels.com. Put your business, your business concept here. If it is laundry, you put it here. If it is makeup, you put it here. If it is a professional service, if it is healthcare, if it is, you know, whatever it is, if it is cryptocurrency, just put it here. All right. So this one is getdirtywashnow.com. Another one is laundryreviews.net. All right. So the thing there is that you mustn't, it's not much that you will put, you copy exactly the thing that is here, but you just get the idea. So if I'm to design a website that has to do with laundry, what I will do is that I will now look for the best domain name here. All right. Now before I do that, I want to share this secret with you. You know, I told you guys I'll be sharing secrets with you while we design our website or while we do the training. So one of the secrets is that in every web designing or in every website or in every website project that you embark on, ensure that any domain name you are choosing for your website, make sure that the domain name is very short, very short. All right, don't make it long. Like this one is awkward. This one is not good. Like get, yeah, dash wash dash noun.com is very awkward. All right, in fact Google is not going to be, it's not as if Google will not locate it, but it does not help your SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. So Google will they are likely to choose this one when there are many other websites that has to do with laundry. All right. So any website that you are, any domain name you are using for your website, make sure that the domain name is very short and it is very descriptive. Don't make use of names that are not, you know, easy to remember. All right. Your domain name should be easy to remember and it should be very short. So if I'm to choose one of these domains, the one I would choose is um, I think I will choose, now see what I will choose. I will either choose this laundries. But since my laundry business is all about making money, I will not use .org, but I will now use .com. All right. So I will search, I will make it laundries.com. Sorry, I put dot here, but the site will automatically remove dots from it. So I will use laundries.com. Are you seeing it? Laundries.com. But the thing there is that anytime you are making anytime you have selected a domain for your website, ensure to check if that domain is available. All right. So the website that you can use to check the availability of your domain or a domain is, make use of Whois. Okay. So who.is is a website that helps you to know if the domain you chose have been taken or if it is available. All right. So let me check. That's my domain. I said I selected laundries.com. So I'm gonna check if it is available. All right. So Whois, it searches domain, name, it searches website and IP tools. All right. Okay. So let me check if this domain is available for me to buy. All right. Now look at this. Laundries.com is already taken. It is already registered. All right. Do you see it now? So, but laundries.net is available. Laundries.org is available. Laundries.co, laundries.io, and laundries.app, and laundries.live. So it is available. But I don't want anything that has to do with .net or .org or .co and so on and so forth. So what I will do is that I will go back to my domain ways and, you know, get more ideas. Okay, now look at this. I'm gonna choose this one. Get my laundries.com. Let me try that one. Okay, let me try my laundries. My laundries. sorry, my laundries dot. Okay, let me check if I'm correct. My laundry, okay, my laundries, all right, I'm correct. Okay, so let me search for it and see if it is available. Wow, as you can see, my laundries has already been taken. Are you seeing it? Okay, but .net, .org, .co, .io, all those ones are available, all right, but I must find one that is not taken, so I will keep on searching. So let me just twist the word, but maintain, I mean the maintain the domain name not to be more. I don't want the domain to be too long. All right, remember, anytime you are selecting your domain, make sure that the domain name is not too long. Make it to be short, make it to be memorable, let it be easy to remember. All right, okay, so let me try my my long my laundry. Let me put s my laundries.com. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one. Let me search and see if it is available. All right, do you see it now? My laundries. The thing that I did here is that I just changed the s to z. All right, but this domain is not bad. Are you with me? This domain is not bad. You know why? Because you know sometimes in this our modern English, we sometimes pronounce s as z. All right, sometimes we pronounce s as z, so it doesn't matter because the thing is just perfect. All right, so my laundries.com is okay. If I'm to register, if I'm to use this domain for my laundry business, so I will take this one. All right, number one is that it's very short, it is memorable, and it is good for your SEO. All right, so that is it for now. I will see you guys in the next video where we'll continue with our class. Thank you.